What's up, guys? We're in a Saturday. Yeah, let's go. But we got some visitors here, and Lime owns this fan code, and today
What's up, guys? So today we're getting outside the map through the funny crap.
no. I remember now. Thank you.
Wait,
Yeah, I'm recording. I'm recording.
I'm back, guys. I fell out of the map. My bad.
Good job, bro. Is this your first time you're in a video? No. Oh. Okay.
I was in like 3 live streams.
Sorry, how say for testicle cancer?
I know. It's my first time seeing this activity.
Hey!
Sorry. Report J-Man.
No, don't report him. I forgive you, but next time, please don't do that. I worked hard on this.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's fine. It's fine. I forgive you.
But I need metal stuff. Because I can't find any over there.
Oh, here's some stuff over there. Here's some stuff over here.
Oh, I couldn't find any.
Yeah. I forgive you.
I couldn't find any.
Sorry for aggressively saying hey. It's just I get mad sometimes.
Hey.
Okay.
Hey. Hey.
Oh, I need other walls.
Hey.
There we go.
Hey. Hey. Hey, you stop flipping. You stop flipping. How you got that horse? How you got that horse?
Because you're small. No!
There we go.
Aren't we in Guardian?
Are you still recording? Are you still
No,
recording?
Yeah, I am.
This is
I am.
casual.
I am.
Okay. This is my first time being in the video. Like, my VR want to make me a lot in the video.
Okay.
So this is my first
Okay.
time.
Who did this?
Congratulations, bro.
Yeah, this is my first time being in the video.
Yeah, congratulations.
Thank you.
Oh. Inside. That's sad. That is so sad.
I'm going outside the map.
Yo, what's up in the fan code, bro? I'm recording. What's up in the fan code? Please don't ruin it. Anything you can build anything you want. Just please do not ruin that, okay?
If you ruin it, they might report you.
If you don't follow the rules, I will report you to the Discord. Yeah.
He will. Trust me.
Well, no, I won't report you to the Discord. I'll just like report you because you're being mean. But I forgive you, and I'm sorry for aggressively reporting you.
Yeah, it's alright. Sometimes you just get that anger in your body.
Yeah, this guy gets it. This guy gets it.
Stop it!
Can somebody teach me how to
What
get
are you
inside
doing, kid?
Don't you want me and now it's from you. Don't you need me? Don't you need me? Ready, come ready, Don't you want me? No, baby. Hey, can you teach me how to get outside the monkey blocks? Okay. And fell down. There go. And went this.
This is a peaceful video, just to let y'all know. Sometimes I get a little angry, then this video is not peaceful, but yeah.
Oh no. Am I inside?
Kinda. Nope, you're on inside. Nope. No.
No. Am I inside?
Oh yeah. But you're on now. Then jump over here. Jump over here. No, not like that. Yeah. Pull you out. Pull you out. No.
I'm coming. Don't worry, I'm coming.
Hold on, begging. I bet you I can fly. You're a baby.
Stay there. Stay there.
Stay there. I just troll people with this in the classroom.
You know you can get reported for that. Sorry.
Wait, I'm getting reported?
You can? Yes.
How?
It's a casual code, it's not infection. Hey bro, wait for me. Wait for me. Okay? No. Don't worry, I got me back. Wait for me.
Bro, you're taking all of the pieces. I can't get anything now.
Okay, wait for me.
I guess I could use these for the top, but
My bouncy house is officially done. I can just use this. Real quick.
Is everybody lagging?
Why is this guy taking all the blocks?
to shred them.
Don't take all the blocks and just shred them.
Not all of them respawn.
Yeah, all of them respawn. Hot boy.
Not all. No.
But some of
They
them.
don't always spawn.
Some of them.
Only some.
Yeah, like these. Yeah. Oh, also these. And those. So we're good.
Do you like my castle?
Yeah. But do you like my bouncy house?
I don't know how to
I'm
do
really
this.
not-
It's hard.
I'm really not done with it yet. But how do y'all like my progress of my bouncy house so far?
Oh, I want to try it.
Where should I go?
I'm coming to try it, Blue.
Thank you. I really worked hard on this.
I'm getting Oh, blah.
Oh my god, it looks so good. Okay.
Hey, Jackson, mind if I use these statues? Mind if I use these statues?
Hey, Lennox.
Mind if I,
Lennox.
whoever,
Hey, I'm Jackson.
oh, mind if I use these?
Hey, I'm going to get breakfast. I'm getting breakfast, okay?
Okay.
Lennox?
Hey, no, don't do that. Can I have just one of them? Okay.
When is it gonna respawn?
What? Oh, there it is.
Why am I glitching?
No! Report red.
The dark room?
Yeah. He ruined my castle.
What did he do?
He ruined everything. Oh,
Bro!
he really. Oh,
Guys, don't.
Oh my god. Actually,
he was trying to
you
shred
worked
my
so
stuff.
hard on it.
He tried to shred my stuff.
Bro, you worked so hard on it.
Exactly, bro.
And now he just...
I worked about 2 hours on this. Something.
Probably something like that. After me destroying it.
Hello.
But
Who wants to see something cool? Watch me.
we know that. Bro,
Wait.
this is how you get...
the map?
Where did you come from? This is starting to become a public code. What the?
It's easy.
It's so easy to get out of the map.
No, I said this is starting to be a public code.
It is. It's probably gonna be a public code.
Yeah, true, because everyone's really joining. Like, how are people getting in my fan
I have a
code?
code that no one will join, and you guys can still build.
Yeah, but this is really my fan code. I'm really using it.
Of course.
How many people are using my fan code?
Hey, you want to use my fan code?
No, thanks.
No one ever joins it.
The new code is cute.
Ever.
What is it?
Somebody's gonna be using that. I bet.
I'll
This
put it
is
as my
why I
name.
wanted to use LMJ. LMJ.
GG5?
No one ever joins my name.
But then this is gonna be gone.
Oh,
I
you
worked, like,
you can
maybe
save your
an hour on
build.
it.
You can save your build.
Oh, I can?
Yeah. So go to scan 2. And then press update scan. And then now we use your fan code.
I'll save it. GG5. Okay, drop the code.
Okay. Now people won't get my fan code.
Hello? Oh, there it is.
Yeah, it's still
Yeah. No, put it on casual. Put it on casual.
How did everything turn to wood? Like literally, almost everything turned into wood.
Hey, cause you guys joined my fan code, now I'll show you something you can. Now I'll show you something you guys can do.
Wait,
Look, are you
can we
ready?
go in casual?
I know this.
Guys, let's
I know it. This is a way to get out of
guys, let's go in casual. Let's go in casual.
Okay, add a 1.
And what?
Hello.
Everything turns into like wood though. It's like a glitch, I guess.
I'm making a nice house where no one can reach it. I'm gonna make us a tree house for us. A house for us family. Wait, you guys wanna play family?
Wait, no, we can play People Stay the Night. We can like do a role play. Like a People Stay the Night role play. Please don't tell me we lost that fake Jamie Curly.
What?
Please don't tell me we lost that fake Jamie Curly. He's really a good friend.
Hey, I have a lot of friends that can join too. Let me see.
Oh, Jamie Curly, there you
Hey,
go.
here's
All
my
right.
build. Oh my god. What are you guys doing? I have 200 friends.
Join the call.
Please don't mess with it. Everyone make everything castle. Make the stuff castle. Guys, I'm making a house where it's forbidden to enter. But there's only one way you can enter. If you're worthy. If you're worthy. If I'm worthy enough? Who just joined?
Oh, my friend.
Oh, it's him. Okay, I was going to say yeah if he was, yeah, someone else. What? So what? Guys, I have a few seconds till I have to get off.
Okay.
A few seconds? Yeah, like 30. Why don't you get off right now? Well, guys, you guys can continue my build. It's supposed to be a house on top of, like, a slingshot. Here, who wants my house?
Me.
I do. You both can share it. Goodbye. It looks like a tree house. Hello? Can you still hear me?
Yeah, we can. I'm just more onto my build, you know.
I claim that build. I claim this build. It's mine. Hey, get purple off my build. Purple, stop. That's my build. That's mine.
How about I just take it apart? Yo, report purple. Report purple. He just
This is
reported
my
green for nothing.
My house. Bro, my
He
house.
reported green for nothing.
Get out.
Report purple.
Hey, Purple, get out of the code now.
Report.
Get out. Get out.
Get out. Everyone's gonna report you, then you get banned. For false reporting. On me and green.
Get out. Get out. Get out now. No, you get out.
Who cares? Get banned. Get banned. One thing.
I'm going into Discord right now.
What?
Discord.
Report him to Discord.